The past year has been quite challenging, and the challenges continue. Hi, I'm Jenny Benson, NSEA President. I want to invite you to consider serving as a delegate to NSEA's 2021 Delegate Assembly.
This annual meeting will be held virtually this year and provides an opportunity for all association members through their elected delegates to set association goals and dues, to vote on new business items, and to update the association's governing documents embodied in our bylaws and resolutions.
Delegates also elect NSEA leaders. The Assembly is the legislative and policy-making body that sets the agenda for the association.
Approximately 300 delegates from across Nebraska participate. For more information on becoming a delegate, visit nsea.org.